Go to the View menu in Photoshop and down to New Guide Layout. Go for 2 and 2 so you can get the centre. Click OK. Then go to the Gradient tool. With the gradients, you can get out this editor. So you can click up here, see all the presets you've got. Now I'm going to go with one of these colourful ones. One of these ones. These are part of the legacy ones. So click there. And you can also edit it. So you can decide, you know what, I want more yellow or more blue, etc. Click OK. Using Radial. Also blending mode of normal, and I'm going to use the center, so I'm just going to apply it from the center and just drag it out, and you can see the result there. What you can then do is you can go to the filter menu and you can go down to distort and ripple, and you can see if you use large as well as the greatest amount, which is 999, click OK. So you've got this lovely sort of very intense but rippled design. You can also then go to Image menu, Adjustments, and down to Posterize. And just set it to say like 6 or 3, and you can see the result. You get this very intense central as well as the edge all the way through. But also what you can do, you can always go to Filter menu and Filter Gallery, and you've got the option here of Poster Edges and Edge Thickness. You can reduce that down or increase it, very subtle. And edge intensity, you can reduce that down, to be honest, even more subtle. Posterization, because obviously it's already been done, doesn't change. Click OK, and you can see the end result there. Very garish, bright, central, sort of psychedelic sort of design, sort of thing you'd see in a t-shirt back in the 60s or 70s. Well, hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.